October 11th, 2021. This one I got a call from a guy. He says his relief valve's leaking. He seems to think that he got a problem with the expansion tank and it's building pressure on the relief valve. I had an appointment to go over there today, and we're going over there and see if we can figure out what's going on. I'm sure we can. That's what I do. I fix things, go around fixing things all the time. Now over at Domo and Miss Molly.
Four sisters, they're all boinking the showers.
It's possible that it's that tank, but most likely it's this tank.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do is gonna have to drain it down. Oh yeah, that relief valve's definitely crusty. We gotta drain it down. Check the pressure in this tank. Could be that. Look, it's got a hole in the side there. That's probably it. There, see the leak?
Yeah.
We'll drain the water out. We'll check the pressure. If it don't have 12 pounds, we're gonna change the tank and the relief valve, and then that should take care of our issue.
Cool.
And this is we got a purge valve right here.
Yeah, I might have an extra bucket for you.
I'm gonna shut it off. I could probably just drain it from here.
You need another bucket?
No, I'm gonna do a hose.
Oh, okay.
I'm on into the bucket brigade.
Yeah.
A couple of hoses right outside and we're good. All day today, so but still want to shut this
One of
off.
those fake holidays.
Got zone valves, 2 zone valves. Fake holiday. PSI. There's our problem. We got 4 pounds. No good. I'm gonna change the tank. Got a little ladder here. Use that. Ready tank right there. I'll just keep one in the truck. Well, my Triticators getting ready for the season here. Bunch of relief valves down. We got 20 or so. Well, Miss Molly. Hello there, Miss Molly. So when these tanks start leaking like this, I just like to just replace them.
What's that?
When they start leaking like that, I mean, sometimes you can put air in them, but most of the time you got best just to replace it.
Yeah.
Especially if it's got a hole in it like that. You've seen the hole, right?
Oh yeah.
Wow. That thing's really on there. You can see the rust hole right there.
Yeah.
So that's where it's not good. Even though I think that's on the upper part. Shouldn't be a lot of water in it because it had 4 pounds. But we'll see. I'm going to put a rag over the control. Put a rag over the boiler control. The water comes down. I don't get no water on the burner. to. No, there's air in the tank. I don't need to purge that. I need to change this. I need to change this relief valve. And then we're going to purge the zones through the house.
Okay.
To get all the air. If there's any, obviously there's air in there now because I opened it, but you might have had noise going on.
Yeah, the bubbling, cracking.
Yeah, that'll definitely take care of a lot of that.
Hopefully I got another couple weeks before I have to turn the heat on.
It isn't that cold out, really.
Yeah.
This thing's kind of been dripping for a while. You got glycol in the system? Antifreeze? Not that you know of, right? Never had the heat freeze up on you? Stuff's just crusty as hell. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. Some pipe dope on the inside. Might be a little bit of water that comes out here. Kind of odd. Scrape some of that stuff off the pipe. It was really crusty. Alright. Two zones here. We're gonna open them to purge. I got a supply and return. I got two returns there. We'll shut this. Shut this off here. I'll do one at a time. I actually got one down the bottom down here, but I'm not worried about that one right now. I'll shut that one off for now, because I didn't drain down that far. I'll shut that one off for now. I'll shut this one off. We'll do the first floor. Got a well here. Do the first floor. Flipping humid today, huh? Holy shit.
Yeah.
We'll switch over to the second. This is the second now. We'll shut the first off. I'm going to do the second now. But the storage tank is off. I got both zones open. I don't have to do that one because I was draining up high here. Well, let's here a couple of months ago. A new filter at tank, new nozzle, good oil flow, good draft, zero smoke. Look at this power venter. A funky looking unit right there. funky looking unit right there. Yeah, not a lot of air in it. Here we go. I feel some coming out now. Second floor. Definitely had air in the second floor one. I'll let it run for a bit. Alright, we're getting a good flow now. I put a lot of my stuff away while it was running. So, shut this off. Put the cap back on. Almost looks like there was glycol in the system. I don't know, didn't smell it. Turn this on. Turn this on. Reinstate the heads. Power back on, we should be good. 20, it shouldn't go up when it runs. I don't see any leak on the relief valve. Tank's not leaking. We've got all the ball valves back open. Supply, return, M2 returns, the water tank. There's a possibility this tank is an issue, but I doubt it. New expansion tank, new relief valve, purge zones. Alright, she's holding right about 20. That's good. I just left that expansion tank job. I mean, I had 4 pounds in it. I could have added air back up, pumped the air back up. But usually when them tanks start leaking like that, I like to change them and put a brand new tank in there. Because the tanks are only good for 5-6 years. I get a lot of people will comment on, oh, you just should put air in it. Well, sometimes you put air in it and you're back there in a week or 2 weeks, you know, changing the tank. So I talked to the homeowner about it, and he agreed he wanted a new tank. And that's usually how I fly. I usually talk to the homeowner about it and make sure that's exactly, they're on the same page as me. And we do what they want because they're paying the bill. And that's just how I roll. I rather put a new tank in, start from fresh. This way here, you know, the chances of getting a call back are slim. So you do what you want. If your tank's low on pressure, you want to add pressure inside your house and you can check it all the time, well, that might be a little different situation than mine, because they call me back, they're going to want the shit done for free, and I don't play the free game. So that's the deal there.